Nani Naina, your English teacher. Today I am going to explain you English Unit 8 Part 1. What is in the mailbox? Now one question will arise in your mind that what is mailbox? Have you heard this word? So what is mailbox? The mailbox is a letter box only. Have you seen the letters are coming at your home? Now who is bringing our letters? That postman, our helper postman is bringing letters to our home, right students? But nowadays that much craze is not there of letters. Why? Because now we are having that much technology. Like cell phones we are having, laptops, computers, telephones we are having. But in earlier times, not a single telephone, mobile phones were available at that time. So people wants to communicate with each other. Now how they will communicate with each other? If they want to talk with each other, if they want to share any idea, thoughts with each other. So at that time they were using a letter. They were writing a letter in a page. For that letter there is a process. After writing the letter, they have to mention each and everything, like where they have to send, to whom they have to send. After that, they are supposed to submit that letter in the post office box. We are having red boxes. Have you seen, might be in your surrounding areas? One box is there that is of red color. In red color boxes, we are putting that letter in that. After that, postman is collecting from that red box, right students? Now what he is doing? He is sending that letter at that particular address, right? I am giving you one example. If I am living in Ahmedabad, I want to write letter and I want to share this letter at Surat. So what I have to write? I have to write the content of letter, what I want to share. After that I have to mention the each and everything to whom I want to write and that particular address. Now I have written the letter. I am going to submit this letter in post office, where the red box is available in my nearby area. Now postman will collect this letter and he will send this courier or letter at the Surat at that particular address. Nowadays letters are coming at your house, but not that much, because nowadays we are having that much technology, like mobile phones, laptop, computer, each and everything we are having. If we contact with each other directly, we are calling, and nowadays we are having that much applications like WhatsApp and all. If we want to share anything, at that time only we are sending the messages. Nowadays that work is completing with very quickly, right students? So at that time these phones were not available. That's why people were using letters to communicate with each other. Now here one small poem is given to you. What is in the mailbox? That one boy is here who is describing about the mailbox, right? So now small boy, what he is saying, that he is getting some letters at his home, but never for him. Because nowadays, if you have might be seen, nowadays you are not getting any letter from any of people, from any of your relative. Why? Because nowadays we are having phones. If we contact, if we want to talk something, so directly we are calling that particular person. Nowadays letters are coming, but this is letter are related to your mother or your father. Why? Why they are having some work, they are working in office, right? So that's why they are getting some letters. Postman is coming to your house to give you that letter of your father or your mother only, not for you. The same mind, that same voice thinking, why he is not getting the letters? Postman is coming our house, he is bringing letters, but it is only for my mother or my father, never for me. Now he is thinking that when I will get the letters, what I have to do for this letter? So one idea he got. Which idea he got? He is thinking that he also will write the letters, right? Why he is writing the letters? Because he is not getting any the letter. Now he wants to get letter from any of the relative or any of the friend. So he got one idea to write some letters to his friends. Why he is writing the letters? He didn't ask any of the friend to give me some letter he wants, But the thing is that he got an idea, he will start writing the letters to his friends. Why? Because now he is writing the letter to his friend. Now what the friends will do? Friends will also answer the letter, right? In this way he will also get the letter. Let's come to the textbook part. What is given in textbook? The poem is, most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. Here, the first of all, I am writing the new words, mailbox. As I told you, mailbox is known as letter box. Letter box where we are keeping our letters, where we have to send, right? Next, I have said most always. In first line, the most always is written all the time. All the time means whenever it is coming at our home. So what is the line first? Most always when the postman come, means most always means all the time. Whenever the postman is coming at child's house, he is bringing letters. He is bringing letters. But what he said? They are for my mother or my dad. Means that postman is giving us letter. But this letter is not related to me. This letter is only for my mother or my dad. As they are working somewhere, so they are getting letters from their office or related to their office work. But never one for me. Never, postman is never brought any letter for me, because he is small child. Who will write the letter to him? So here letter means a written message you send to anyone. As I explained you, a letter means which message or any of the idea or communication we want to share with any of the person. That's why we were using letter at that earlier times. Do you know that who was sending these letters? Prior, we were not having that much post services in our India. So in earlier times, people were using pigeon as a messenger. What they were doing? They were sending that envelope in which we are keeping that letter. That cover is called an envelope. So that pigeon were used for sending that letter at that particular place. That now postal services were started in India in 1854. This service was started by our British government. Now in India we are having that much post services. If you have heard about, sometimes speed post is also available. Speed post means जो हमारा काम जल्दी से करे. If any post service is taking for 2-3 days for sending that letter, but speed post means they are sending that messages in easily and quickly. If any emergency is there, so sometimes we are using speed post also, right students? So here our next paragraph is, I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do. And my friends will answer me, and that I will get letters too. Now here, as I told you, that boy is saying he is not getting any of the letter. By this thing he is getting sad. Why no one is sending me a letter? So what he thought? He got an idea. What idea he got? That idea is he is going to write some letters to his friend or any of the relative, because he also wants to get letters from postman. He also thinks like postman जो आता है वो सिर्फ मेरे mother father के लिए letter नहीं लेके है. Sometimes he should bring for me also. But how he will get the letters? How he will get the letters? That is the question for him. So he think that he should only start the writing letters to his friends or any of the relative. In this way, he will also get the letters. Why? Because if boy is writing a letter, or if any of the friend is writing a letter to you, now what you will think? You will also think that I should write a letter, I should answer him for the same letter. So in this way, what will happen? Your friend also will get a letter from your side. So that's why boy thought he will write the letters, and and finally he will get letters too. As I had told you that here is a one boy who is also small. Then also he is thinking to write some letters to his friends, right? Because he also wants to get some letters from any of them. So in this way also you can also write any letter to your relative or as well to your friend. Why? It will be a one type of activity for you and you will get letters too. In this manner also you will learn how to write letters, because there is a perfect format how to write a letter. In letter we can't write only of the idea or thought what we want to share. In that letter we have to mention each and everything, that who to whom we are writing, that particular address, and even at the end we are supposed to mention our name also, because if I am sending you a letter, if I am not mentioning any of the name in that letter, so how you will come to know that who has sent a letter to you? So it is compulsory to mention your name also at the end of the letter. So you just also do this activity to you just also write a letter to any of your relative or a friend, right students? I hope what I have explained you in this video, it is clear to you. Then also if you have any query or doubt in regarding this explanation part, you can ask me in your live sessions. Have a nice day. Thank you.